So I'll be reselling on eBay. Really? Really? Yeah, I was questioning myself about that. Maybe I'm a little too late to the party because there's so much out there already. Is this really a sustainable source of income? Am I going to make money? Do I really want to spend time thrifting and listing? Not to mention researching and comparing prices. Oh, and books. Do books even sell on eBay? Is it worth it? From the packing to the shipping and the fees. There's a lot of work involved. So, join me on this journey. The journey of reselling into unknown territory. Come along with me and find out. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.